Blues lick in E minor. This is probably, I would assess it as a mediocre difficulty level. That is, it's not for the beginner. It's for somebody who wants something a little bit more challenging, but it's very doable. We're going to start off. Let me show you what it looks like. It's 3 staffs. So blues lick in E minor. Take a screenshot. It's the first staff, second staff, and the third staff. Okay, we're going to start off on a D note, actually, even though it's in the key of E. But you can do that. You don't have to start on the root. 5th string, 5th fret with your first finger. And you're going to the 7th fret with your 3rd finger. Try to get a little closer here. So 5th and 7th frets, 1st and 3rd finger. On the 5th string, go up to the 4th string. 5th and 6th frets with your 1st and 2nd finger. Now your 3rd finger is going to slide up from the 7th fret, 3rd string, with your 3rd finger up to the 9th fret. Then your 2nd finger on the 2nd string, 8th fret, is going to slide up to the 9th fret. So, then you're going to have a pull off on the 1st string on the 7th fret. Just pull off to that E. And we're going to slide back on the 2nd string, 8th fret to the 9th fret with your 1st or 2nd finger. I like using my 2nd finger. So this is what we have so far. Then a full step bend on the 3rd string, 11th fret with your 3rd finger, but make sure you have your 1st, 2nd, and 3rd finger behind it. Remember, we don't bend with our fingers, we bend with our wrist. I have a video. If you're new to bending, you should check out that video on how to bend the proper way. Okay, it's under Thomas Clements, 1462. Bring it down. Then we're going to play an open 1st string, open 2nd string, then a full step bend on the 2nd string, 15th fret with your 4th finger, but make sure you have your 1st, 2nd, and 4th finger, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd fingers before your 4th finger. Bring it down. So when you see these symbols for the bends, like right there, and the other one right here, that's a full step bend symbol. If I wrote half step, it'd be a half step. A full step, it means you're bending 2 steps. And when you see the arrow coming down, you just go right down to that note. So let's look at that 2nd string, 15th fret again. See how I bend? And I bring it down to the 12th fret with the 1st finger on the 2nd string. Reach with your 4th finger on the 1st string, 16th fret. Stay on the 1st string, 12th fret with your 1st finger, and then to the 2nd string, 15th fret, 12th fret with your 4th and 1st fingers. Full step bend. On the 3rd string, 14th fret. Hold that bend. I should have wrote that down. HTB means hold the bend. Hold the bend. It's right there in the middle of the 2nd staff, which is HTB. Hold the bend. So we're going to go. So it's going to be a down, down, up. Okay? That's the 14th fret. 3rd string. You're bending that up to the 16th fret. And you're making a small bar on the 1st and 2nd strings with your 1st finger. And you're playing a down, up, Down pick on that second string, up pick on that first string. Once again, you're holding that bar. Okay, on the first two strings, 12th fret. Then your fourth finger on the first string, 15th fret, followed by your first finger, which is already there. So here we go from the bend. Then do a 4-1 on the second string as well. And then on the third string, 14th, 13th, 12th frets with your third, second, and first finger. And the exact same thing, same frets on the fourth string. 14th, 13th, 12th frets, 3, 2, 1. I'm playing E7, sharp 9. Yes. Sorry about that. Sensitive chord. There it is again, another screenshot. And HTB, hold that bend. There's the diagram of the E7 sharp 9. The root is the second finger because this is the 6th, 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st strings. As you see, not written down there, but the one that's on, as you're looking at it, it's going to be on your left. Okay? That's actually the 6th string. You're not playing that. That's actually open. So we put a little O by there, or 0, meaning open. And the first string is open as well. And if you don't know how to play this, and those who do, just keep practicing while I'm explaining to those who don't know how to play it. Second finger is going to be on the 5th string. First finger will be on the, so that's the, would be the 7th fret. 5th string with your second finger. First finger is going to be, I'm sorry about that. First finger is going to be on the 4th string, 6th fret. Third finger is going to be on the 3rd string, 7th fret. And your 4th finger is on the 2nd string, 8th fret. E7 sharp 9. That sharp 9, that's actually the second note because you have 8 notes in a scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do and do are an octave apart. So say if you're in the key of E to E, that's the 8th note. The 9th note is going to be an F sharp. Looks like I lost sound here. Let me just plug myself back in. Oh, gosh. So I'm going to go over this slowly again. We will start 5th string, 5th fret with your 1st and 3rd fingers. Let me do that one more time so you can see it better. 5th and 7th frets on the 5th string. 1st and 3rd finger. So I'm starting on the 2nd staff now. That's the 2nd staff. Everything I just played up to now is on the 1st staff. So the full step bend on the 15th fret, 2nd string with your 4th finger. Bring it down. E7 sharp 9. Okay, if you have any questions, please comment. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you enjoyed this video, blues lick in E minor. There's countless things that you can play in E minor. And as I said, this is probably like a mediocre difficulty level. And keep playing and have fun.